Day 4, healthy tips to releasing weight. Here's the tip for day number 4. Eating fresh fruits and vegetables in your meals, in your dinner, your lunches as often as possible. So you get to hang out today with me in the kitchen, and I get to make something nice and fresh and fast for you, and that is a burrito. So I'm going to use a grain-free, oversized tortilla, and I'm going to heat it up a little bit using a little bit of coconut oil. And I'm going to have a little bit, about a quarter cup of brown rice. Now, generally, I'm gluten-free, so I don't use grains often. But for today's recipe, I'm going to add it. But I usually use quinoa for those folks out there like me who want grain-free. So what I did was I took a spring mix and I took my vegetables and I prepped them first in 11.5 water, which removes the pesticides, oil base off your produce and enhances the taste. So if you want more information on that, hey, reach out to me and I'll share that with you. But I'm going to cut up the lettuce and try to chop it up. And you want it super chopped, you can do that. But today I'm not going to do that, but we're going to chop it up. And so what I did was I'm going to take the tortilla, apply it to the plate and put it onto the plate. And I get to take a organic avocado, my favorite on my meals, fresh avocado, and add it to the tortilla. And what we're going to do is to use a organic carrot. So I'm going to add some organic carrots on here, and we're going to add the lettuce blend on here with the cucumber. And I also have a salsa, fresh salsa, that I'm going to add on here. And so once you get all those ingredients on here, okay, it's looking pretty good right now, right? I topped it off with an organic honey mustard dressing. And so when you put everything together and have it all nicely made, as you see here, what you can do is you can eat it like a salad, and then after you eat it down so far, you can fold it and cut it in half. Or I'm going to show you where, even though it's oversized, you can still cut it in half and just kind of eat part of it in terms of a lunch, or you can eat the whole depending on your calorie intake for the day. So there you go. Healthy and fresh, less than 10 minutes. A nice lunch or dinner, and mostly fresh, fresh, fresh. So that's my tip today for number 4, and I'll see you tomorrow for tip number 5. Have a good one. Mm.